morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Monday, February 22nd. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Our Palla yearbook team is asking all students to submit photos of your home classroom setup, you and your family, or a picture of you with your pet. We will use these pictures to create a special collage to celebrate this unique year. This is also your last chance to send us your own school photo. We need all pictures submitted by this Thursday, February 25th. Just a reminder, you can still pre-order your yearbook for this year. You can order your yearbook online by scanning the QR code or by going to the LifeTouch website. The link can be easily found on the Palla Students Apps page for easy access. You can also order and pay for your yearbooks at the Palla office. Pre-sale yearbooks will cost $20. This will be a year to remember, so order your yearbook today. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla Pause Shoutouts. Remember, each week, teachers will be sending a shout out to students that are showing their pause for a specific expectation. Last week, we focused on the A for Achieve Your Goals by meeting your AR goal. We know that many of our students met their AR goal this trimester. On this week's shout outs, we are acknowledging the top AR readers in each class. Here are the students from each class that earned an award. Our Bulldog Shoutouts. Our focus, achieving your goals by meeting your AR goal. Students in pre-K, great job. TK shoutouts, great job on working hard. Kindergarten shoutouts. First grade shoutouts. Awesome job achieving your goals. Top AR students. Second grade AR students. Top AR students for trimester 2. Third grade top AR students. Great job. Fourth grade student shout outs. Awesome job, AR students in fourth grade. And finally, our fifth grade students. Awesome job meeting 100% of your AR goal. Great job, top AR students. Next week, all students that met their AR goal will be acknowledged during the Virtual Awards Assembly and receive an AR prize and certificate. For this week's Bulldog Shoutouts, we will focus on specific grade level expectations. Ask your teacher today about how you can qualify. Remember that you can pick up your special shout out prize in the front office any day of the week from 7:30 to 4 o'clock. We will find out next week who our outstanding students are. Stay tuned. An important letter was sent out from our superintendent, Mr. Hendricks, on Parent Square last Friday. This letter contains important information regarding returning to in-person school. Please be sure to read the letter and attend the Zoom parent meeting today, either at 10 o'clock or at 5:30. The link to access the meeting can be found on the letter. Our school will also be sending out more important information about returning to school in March on Tuesday. Please be sure to view the video from me tomorrow. After the district meeting, all parents will be required to complete an intent to return form online. This form will let us know which students are returning to in-person school and which students will be remaining on distance learning at home. The deadline to return the form is this Friday, February 26th at 5 o'clock. Students that do not complete the form will remain on distance learning. If you have any questions, please contact our office. Next week, report cards will be available in Parent Portal, and we will have our grade level award ceremonies and award certificate distribution. Tune in next week for more details. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla website for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive day.